Good day everyone, we are the Group 3. In this video, I will show you how we created our multi-grade classroom miniature step by step. This project was completed in 2 days, focusing on careful planning, creativity, and meaningful classroom details. Before cutting any materials, we gathered ideas as a group. We asked ourselves what makes a multi-grade classroom effective and how can we design a classroom that supports different grade levels in one space. We discussed the importance of flexibility, organization, and creativity. We agreed that our classroom should have learning corners, visible instructional materials, and movable furniture. After planning everything carefully, we sketched our design. Once we were satisfied with our layout, we started building. On the first day, we started by cutting the cardboard to form the room itself. This became the main structure of our classroom miniature. After building the base, we carefully cut out printed details such as classroom rules, mini books, labels, and other small classroom materials. These details are important because they make the classroom realistic and educational. Next, we created a cabinet and bookshelves. In a multi-grade classroom, storage is very important. Cabinets and shelves help organize learning materials for different grade levels. We made sure that even the smallest parts were thoughtfully designed to reflect a real classroom environment. On the second day, we continued by cutting and tracing the windows and doors. Adding windows allows the classroom to look open and well ventilated, which is important for a positive learning atmosphere. Then we pasted colored cartolina on the walls. We carefully chose the perfect color to make the classroom bright, welcoming, and child-friendly. After finishing the walls, we made the tables and chairs. We designed a triangular table which is very suitable for a multi-grade classroom. This type of table is flexible and can be rearranged into different shapes depending on the activity. It supports collaboration, group work, and peer learning. We colored the tables and chairs using bright and colorful materials to make the classroom lively and engaging for learners. To make the classroom complete, we added important learning tools and decorations, such as a television for multimedia learning, colorful banderitas to create a cheerful atmosphere, and also using foam materials, we carefully cut and pasted bulletin boards such as information boards, arts and craft board, classroom rules board. We also added essential academic displays like multiplication table, alphabet chart, and other small but meaningful learning materials. These details are very important in a multi-grade classroom because learners from different grade levels rely on visual aids to support independent learning. Another important aspect of our project is that some of the materials we used were recycled. We reused old cardboard, excess paper, and available craft materials instead of buying new ones. This helped reduce waste and promote creativity. It also shows that creating an effective learning environment does not always require expensive materials. Through this recycling, we practice resourcefulness and environmental responsibility while still producing a meaningful and organized classroom miniature. Through this 2 day process, we were able to create a miniature classroom that represents organization, creativity, and flexibility. Every cut, every color, and every small detail was carefully planned to show how a multi-grade classroom should function. Structured yet flexible, simple yet meaningful. This project shows that in a multi-grade classroom, every corner matters. This is Group 3. Thank you for watching.